When we bought this beauty right here, it was an $800 pile of junk, and we've completely transformed how it has looked. Well, let me explain. We picked this baby up off a literal crackhead, and it had its fair share of problems.
There we go.
Okay, so we just broke down.
The shifter decides to limp out on me.
Dude. But if you've been following our short series, then you know over the last 6 months we have brought it back to life. But now it's time to turn it into a full-blown street legal race car. Yeah. Dude, I just washed it, man.
Believe it or not, the most requested part on this entire build so far has been a steering wheel. Everyone commented about it, and you can't have a race car without a suede steering wheel. So I scoured the internet and found a pink steering wheel because all race cars have to have suede steering wheel. We're gonna plop this right on the car. We bought an adapter. Let's go start pulling shit apart. Hopefully not set off an airbag. That's what Lenny's doing right now.
All right, first thing to do to remove this airbag is to take these screws out on the side. All right, now that that's done, it should just pop right out. Oh my gosh, it wasn't even connected. Well,
Not surprised.
it's also not even there.
Once again, not surprised at all.
Well, I'm not gonna be needing that anyways. All right, now we gotta get this mess off. So it's just an Allen key. Actually, fuck,
No,
it's a star.
It's a star, a fat star.
That could be a problem. Let's go see what we can find. Oh, turns out it was hand loose. Look at that. Safety. There was thread locker on there. Something else is holding it on. Oh, this thing just doesn't want to budge. Oh.
There you go.
Dude, this was easy. Perfect. All right, where's that new one?
So now I just very gently pull this thing off. Oh, fuck. Hopefully we don't need these wires. Probably tape them up.
Probably. Well, appears it is stuck. All right, let me take a shot at it. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. Where are we starting? So it looks like it's binding on the metal. I may want to take a file. Maybe the paint raised is causing this problem. When in doubt, you modify it. All right, we're gonna see if we could make some room.
You have a lot of experience doing that?
Tons. You could see, slowly taking the metal off right here. Okay, that took way longer than I should have. Go thread the old bolt in. All right, that's tight enough. This is where she comes into play. All right, now we're just kind of hoping it's straight. There's only one way this could have gone on. So we gotta get this aligned. Nardy. Okay, last one. Really hope this thing is gonna be straight.
There we go. It's on.
I gotta say, she feels a lot better in the hand. Okay, so what's next?
Start ripping the seats out.
We won't be needing this seat anymore. Take a look, dude. Dude, there's candy, there's a guitar pick.
Weight reduction.
How you doing? Could you imagine? All right, well now I can fit in the car. All right, stay tuned because in the next episode, we'll be stripping this interior and putting race seats in it.